Anong parte na to ba na paborito mong puntahan?
Food court.
Food court. Okay. Masarap pa naman ang mga inahain sa atin sa food court. O, plastic yung mga plastic. Okay, that's good. Are you currently working or a student?
Ay, friend, tuloy mo lang yan.
Okay, so yun. How old are you, ma'am? 17. Okay, sana some of your friends, invite mo rin sana sila dito magpunta sa Tutuban. Okay. Okay, wala na si paring Ryan. So, tuloy natin. Candidate number 4, what's your name, please? Ryan. So, are you familiar with Tutuban? Okay. From where kayo, sir? Nabotas rin. So, almost all of you galing ng Nabotas. Siguro magkakaibigan kayo. So, paano nyo nalaman na meron tayong contest for Mr. and Miss Fashionista? Ibig sabihin meron kayo mga talent manager. So, is this your first time na sumali ng pageant for modeling? Maraming din. So, meron naman tayong times na pinalad na. Meron na po ba tayong times na pinalad na or nanalo? Okay, first time. That's good. Okay lang yan. Trying hard. Okay pa rin. That goes on. Okay pa rin, Ryan?
Alright, actually, nagkita na yung results.
Okay.
Okay. So, we will be announcing, of course, sabi nga nila, Mr. and Miss Fashionista. So, ang yanos natin yung
Mr. and Miss Fashionista.
Pero, just to let others know, lahat na nandito ngayon, para sa amin, Mr. and Miss Fashionista, certified from Tutuban.
Yes, a certified fashionista from Tutuban Mall. And we do hope sana i-patronize nila yung ating new concept na dinibelop sa atin dyan sa Culture Building 2. Yung tinatawag natin Singapore, which caters top to bottom outfit.
Just to let the shoppers know, lahat ng nakikita ng suot nila dito, matatagpuan nila yan sa Laughter Building. Second floor, Laughter Building 2 sa Johor.
Yes, so lahat yan, titignan nyo sa Tutuban ha. Kasi kung hindi ngayon yan, ubarin nyo na. Hindi, joke lang.
So, announce muna natin ang Mr. Fashionista, okay? Okay, ako. Announce muna.
Okay?
Alright, again, explain ko lang. Ang yanos, gamit ito yung trainer na mismo. Okay?
Okay, before we announce the winner for Mr. Fashionista, we would like to extend our gratitude to our panel of judges. Again, Ms. Mona Lisa Roland, coming from Page James, Marketing Director.
Alright. And Mr. Jeff Gilles, Vice President of Philippines Daily Inquirer.
Okay, Ms. Jocelyn Yu, our beloved Marketing Manager.
And Ms. Gina
Villamor. Okay, and our beloved and our very own Mr. Ding Espiritu, General Manager of Tutuban Properties Incorporated.
Alright, thank you very much, Sir Ding.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so for Ms. Sir Fashionista Ren, can you do the honor?
Okay, Mr. Fashionista, gathering an average score of 85%. None other than...
Alright, wala pang drum.
Wala pa tayo ng drum and bugle.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, gathering again. Gathering an average score of 85% coming from candidate number 7.
Alright, thank you very much. And take your walk here.
Okay, please go forward, sir. Candidate number 7 is Mr. Peter Mandilar. Right?
Alright, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
And now, I'm going to be announcing the winner.
Certainly say.
Alright. Now, I'm going to be announcing the winner for the Miss Fashionista 2009. Alright? Getting an average score of 89%. No other than contestant number 1.
Yes! Candidate number 1 is none other than Miss Mary Joy Rualia.
Congratulations to candidate number 1 of Miss Fashionista and candidate number
7 of Mr. Fashionista.
Alright, thank you very much. So, on off tayo. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for love.
Thank you.
Alright? Can you invite